2023 presidency, YOB cannot be declared winner straight away in court. Festus Kenyamo, welcome to the news and please subscribe to our channel. To get notified when we post our juicy news updates, please click on the notification bell. As the controversy surrounding the outcome of the 2023 presidential election intensifies, Festus Kenyamo, the spokesperson of the All Progressive Congress APC Presidential Campaign Council PCC, has come to state why Peter Gregory B., the presidential candidate of the Labour Party, cannot be declared the winner straight away after challenging the outcome in court. Recall that Peter B. and Atiku Abubakar of the People's Democratic Party have petitioned the Presidential Election Tribunal over the declaration of Bola Tinubu as the winner of the 2023 presidential election by the Independent National Electoral Commission (INEC). Both Obi and Atiku stated that the election that produced Tinubu as the president-elect was filled with abnormalities. Meanwhile, Festus Kenyamo, reacting to the Labour Party's chances of winning the case in court, claimed that Obi and his party have to first defeat the People's Democratic Party to prove that they came in second before they could have the audacity to challenge Tinubu. He stated that Obi and the Labour Party cannot come to court and be declared winners straight away because they came third in the just concluded presidential election. Kenyamo tweeted, Peter B. and the Labour Party cannot even go to court to ask to be declared winners right away. They must first of all fight the People's Democratic Party to prove they came in second before they can face Tinubu. As a result, there is no room for collaboration between Labour Party and People's Democratic Party in court. Festus Kenyamo's post on Twitter read thus: Peter B. and Labour Party cannot even come to court and ask to be declared winner straight away. They have to first fight PDP in order to prove they came second before they have the temerity to face Asiwaju Bola Ahmed Tinubu. So there is no need for cooperation between the Labour Party and the PDP in court. The thing is, when that time reach now, they never start the case. They don't start the case. All those ones is not a problem. Abi, to me, it's not quite a problem at all. When that time reach, you can't see waiting go up, Abi. Please leave that to the court. Exactly what I was saying, Mr. Tuno. When they get to that bridge, they will cross it. That is why people read it in third position so that you cannot win straight away. But you'll be disappointed this time. I did tell you. So all these things they had it in plan because if he wins second, if he wins second or if he's the second runner up, you can easily okay. Even the Supreme Court you are campaigning for hate you and yours. This is not a matter of hate or like. Why is Kenyamo campaigning for the Supreme Court? Do you people have anything to hide? Allow the court process now, my dear. I tire you. You said this much, either congratulate you or go to court. He picked to go to court. Then all of a sudden, people are now fighting him. Like, I don't understand the call of you people's problem. Abi? What a dubious legal reasoning. Peter B is challenging the wrongful actions of INEC, which culminated in declaring the wrong person as the winner of the election instead of him, Obi. Peter is on court to show to the world what he did. What he did. He did not only score the highest number of votes in general, but also 25% in 24 of the 36 states as well as in the FCT. If he is able to do all this, all obstacles created by INEC on his way to Asuwaka cleared until another person comes to prove to the contrary. My own is when that time reach. Abi? And the thing is, I want to appeal to Labour Party. Everybody keep your strategies to yourself. This is not the time where you're going to open your mouth and say this is what you've done, this is what you do. Make Labour Party people too learn how to do it in, hold their peace and hold their mouth. It is going to do them a whole lot of good. Okay? There's a perfect scenario for this thing going on now. And that scenario is the scenario of the Imo State governor. The Imo State governor in 2019 they did the election. That 2019 they did the election. The person that won, that either declared the winner was called Emeka Ihedioha. Now, Governor Emeka Ihedioha ruled, I think, for 6 or for 9 months, and before you know it, we started hearing the super story of how, he has been resigned, and Hope Uzodinma came into power just like that. And do you know the funny thing? Hope Uzodinma came fourth in the 2019 elections. So for those who are saying, this one happened, that one happened, that one was even that it was wuru. That's why they now start calling Hope Uzodinma Supreme Court Governor. In fact, if you go, his what's it called? His people call him Supreme Court Governor because they'll tell you they never voted for him. They'll tell you it was because they never voted for him that he came in and all atrocities began to happen to them. So imagine that case. Person will come forth. You come outside, they can't give him. Even they even use wuru give him the first position. But this one, we are talking about somebody who he himself was rigged out and he's going back to claim his mandate. So something similar like this has actually happened before. Alright, this is Uzodinma not come forth and yet was declared winner. Exactly what I was saying. I perceive you. Okay. Did Uzodinma not come forth and yet was declared winner and made the governor? Exactly what I was saying. Mr. Kenyamo, I perceive you must have made the statement under the influence of drugs or something. How will it come to prove that he came second when he's saying that he came first? All we are saying is let the actual result be collated without bias. Whoever wins among the three candidates should have justice. I'm telling you. I said it before. Had it been the process of the election was free and fair, nobody is going to be coming out to say this. Sometimes the authorities put your sound title to question. If the evidence result to be presented is for all the parties, what will be the need for separated fight? Thieves' reasoning has always been only one way. Inama is no good at all. You forget that the governor of Imo State was in the third position, but it was declared the first position. It was declared as the governor. This particular election now, people are saying it's not the same, but me, I'm saying this particular case in court, it is going to say a lot. It will tell us if the common man can find solace in the long arms of the law, because we know that the court is supposed to be, if then they press your neck, if then they oppress you, if you wrong go the court is supposed to shield you and guide you from your oppressor and even help you fight your oppressor. But we are going to know if all they have been saying about the what's it called, the third arm of government is true. You go know whether true if they oppress you, you wrong go court, whether court go shield you or court go even help them press your neck more. Now this particular case now go use know whether the judiciary is going to want to redeem its image, or they'll also want to dance to the tune of their paymasters as well. Alright, on this note, you have come to the end of the news. We say thank you for tuning in to listen. Until I come your way next time, enjoy the rest of your day.